Hello everyone, good morning. This is Magdalena Bachu with your daily guidance as received earlier today in our group morning practice. Today the guidance is so beautiful. It's reminding us that whatever we love to create, the life of our dreams, it's right here in front of us. However, in order to reveal it to ourselves, we are compelled to have the courage to take some inspired action and also bring a good dose of persistence and resilience to the table. So the first guidance that we receive for today is a reminder that you cannot get better at anything before you take the first step. So today we are invited to come out of the infinite circle of preparation, to stop waiting for that perfect moment, to stop waiting for that extra confirmation from our peers, our family, or our teachers, to stop waiting for that extra sign from the universe and just take the first step. Once we take the first step, life and reality is going to respond, and from that response we're going to know exactly what we need to adjust, what skills we need to improve on, or what skills we need to acquire to move closer to towards what we love to create. The second guidance that we receive for today is this: whatever it's worth doing, it's also worth doing small and even poorly at first. Do you know that a small child has about 10,000 failed attempts before they learn how to walk? 10,000, it's a very high number. So allow yourself to enter the learning cycle and allow yourself to start exactly where you are. Improve, adjust, and keep going. Before you know, you will make such a huge progress, and before you know, you already created what you love. And the third guidance for today is a reminder that competence and mastery is built. It's not a given. We may be coming with certain gifts and talents. However, in order to create what we love, it requires mastery. It requires not only mastering our skills, but also mastering ourselves. And sometimes it requires to really look deeper to see, are our traits, our personality traits, our habits supporting what we love to create? Maybe what we love to create requires of us to ask for help. And in our personality, we don't feel comfortable to ask for help. And we will need to overcome that in order to bring that creation to fruition. So allow yourself to keep going, and as you keep going, allow yourself to change direction, adjust, and allow yourself not only to acquire the skills that will support you to create that, but also allow yourself to look inside and to see how did you build some walls or some hindrances that may not support you to create what you love, and allow yourself to adjust and correct that. So this is the guidance for today. The first guidance: you cannot get better at anything before you take the first step. The second guidance for today: whatever it's worth doing, it's also worth doing small and poorly at first. And the third guidance for today: allow yourself to remember that mastery, competence is built step by step. This is from me today, and if you love to join our morning practices, you are more than welcome to do so. The links are somewhere above or below. Join us. Lots of love. Have a blessed day. Bye.